Hello, and welcome to my channel. We're all about wealth or finance management, new business ideas, quick tips to make your life better, or anything that can help you in your daily life. Click the bell button, as we're surely going to change the way you think about daily life or business. In today's video, we're going to talk about passive income ideas to make money online. Passive income is the holy grail for many entrepreneurs. It means that you can earn money without actively working on your business. Passive income is becoming more and more popular, as people are looking for ways to make money without having to do any work. There are quite a lot of ways to generate passive income online. You can take a look at our list of passive income streams and find one that suits your needs. Freelance writing. There are many ways to make some passive income online, and one of them is freelance writing. Freelance writing is when you write for someone else in exchange for money. Freelance writing allows you to work from home and enjoy a flexible schedule. You can choose your own work hours, but if you don't have a regular job, this may be a good option for you for a full-time job. Find out what kind of topics you're interested in. Once figured out, then you need to polish your writing skills a little bit. You can find freelance writing jobs on sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. You can also check with local newspapers or magazines if they have any jobs open for writers. Network marketing. Network marketing is one of the most exciting ways to make money in your spare time. What is network marketing? It's when you sell products or services to other people through a network of people who are already selling the same product or service as you. There are lots of different ways you can get started with network marketing. You could start an online store, or you can join in an existing network. You can even recruit your friends and family members into the business. Dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are a great way to make passive money in the stock market. They pay dividends, which means that you receive a portion of the profits of the company that issued the stock. In exchange, you give up your ownership rights in the company. Many companies have dividend-paying stocks, so there's no shortage of options if you want to invest in a dividend-paying stock. You can find them on any exchange, but they tend to be less liquid than other types of stocks and tend to trade at higher prices. There are also some companies that do not pay dividends, but hold their earnings for future growth instead. They're also called growth stocks. Growth stocks offer much higher returns than regular dividend stocks, but also have higher risks because they don't always return the same amount of money over time, and sometimes lose money instead. Create a course. Creating a course is one of the best ways to earn money online and keep getting some passive income. You need to learn a little bit of video editing. Then you can start creating your own course. There are many platforms that provide you with a platform to share your knowledge with the world. You'll be able to create your own course and make money from it. You can choose a topic that interests you and then create a course on it. You can also find topics that are trending in the market and create a course on them as well. Once you've created your course, upload it on platforms like Udemy and Coursera. You'll then get paid at every purchase of your course at the platform. Write an ebook. Writing an ebook is one of the best ways to earn some bucks. You can write it yourself or you can outsource it. If you do it yourself, you'll have to write a book from scratch and edit it. This is not easy to do and takes a lot of time, so you can hire a writer for this job. The writer will also help you with editing the ebook and make sure that everything is in place before publishing it online. If you want someone else to do that for you, there are many sites where you can find writers who will work for a fee. They'll create an ebook for you, edit it, and publish it online via FTP or Amazon S3 storage space. Sell NFTs. Selling NFTs is a relatively new way to make some passive income online. If you can create a digital art by yourself, then it will save your time and cash investment. But if you don't know how to do it, then you can hire a designer at a low cost. Then you need an NFT account. Set it up. Once you've got your account set up, all that's left is to get started selling some NFTs. Another way is to go to an exchange like Poloniex or Bittrex. Get your account verified at one of these exchanges. Once verified, head over there and buy some NFTs. You can advertise your item on other websites like Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, etc. The more eyes that see your ad, the more likely people are going to buy from you. Rent your home online. Renting a home online has become a popular way to earn some extra money online. There are many companies that rent homes online, and they offer different types of rental options. Some companies offer short-term rentals, while others offer long-term rentals. You can rent out your home for anywhere from 1 day to several weeks at a time. You can choose how many people you want to rent your house to and what kind of payment terms you want them on. You might be able to choose from pets or children's fees as well as other fees, such as cleaning fees or yard maintenance fees. If you're looking for something that's flexible, then renting out your home might be for you. Sell stock photos. Selling stock photos at stock websites is a great and trending way to make money online. Stock photography is a type of photography that captures moments in time and sells them for others to use. The best way to learn how to become a stock photographer is by looking at the work of other photographers and learning from them. There are many ways to sell stock photos, but it's important to find the right market for your work. The most popular markets include photo sharing sites like Flickr and Tumblr, as well as stock websites such as Shutterstock and VectorStock. You can also sell your work directly to clients who want a certain look or style in their images. If you're just starting out, it's best to start small and build up an audience before trying something new. Buy and sell websites. Buying and selling websites is a great way to earn money on the internet. It's also one of the easiest ways to make some passive income online. Flipping websites is a process of buying a website, making some changes, and then reselling it. This can be done by buying a domain name and building the website from scratch. There are a couple of ways to make money through flipping websites. The most popular one is to buy a domain name and build the website from scratch. But there are also other ways, such as purchasing an already existing website that has been abandoned, which is known as buying an expired domain. You might think of a question, like how much money can be made through this method of making money online? The answer to this question varies depending on what type of site you're flipping, your skill level, and how much time and effort you put into it. Record audiobooks. Recording audiobooks is one of the great ways to make some cash online. Many people have the idea that recording audiobooks is only for actors and celebrities, but it's actually a very accessible and lucrative career path. You don't have to be a high-level entertainer or have amazing acting skills. You just need to be able to read, write, and speak clearly. There are many ways you can earn money through recording audiobooks and get your name out there in the industry. Some of these include 1. Self-publishing your own audiobook. 2. Working with an agency that helps people earn money by sharing their content on social media sites like Facebook or YouTube. 3. Working with a major media company or production company like Netflix, who needs audio versions of books for their TV shows or films. So these were our passive income ideas to make money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you'll love our other ones too. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our latest content.